Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, today, meatloaf collaboration. Hashtag Ma, where's the meatloaf? It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be fun. Actually, doing a little something different. Meatloaf meatballs. All right. Hashtag Ma, where's the meatloaf? This collab was set up by Kerry over at VA Chick Off Road. Hopefully, to get everybody's minds off everything that's going on right now. We'll see how many people can jump on. It's gonna be fun. As always, stick around. All right, guys. Hey, all right. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef here, 80-20 mix. I've got a cup of bell pepper, cup of onion here, and 2 slices of bread. All right. Also got 2 eggs. 2 eggs gonna go in here first. 80-20 blend. Right. And then we're gonna dump everything else into the mix. Again, green bell pepper, about a cup of onion, 2 slices of breadcrumbs. It's all going in together, all at one time. And then we're just simply gonna mix it up. Nothing crazy. Make these meatballs work. Blend it all together. For the seasoning, we're gonna use Texas Gold Dust, Suckle Busters. Some good stuff. Barbecue seasonings going over fire. Again, about, I don't know, 3 or 4 shakes, 5 or 6 shakes, just to get that flavor in there, get that color in there. I don't really ever measure it per se, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's probably about, I don't know, 4 tablespoons probably. We'll get this all mixed up, blended, nice. Give a little bit more. This Texas Gold Dust is some really good stuff. Really, really good stuff. All right, get this blended up here. Stick around. All right, we got this all mixed up. Gonna go ahead and make our meatballs now. MeatLoaf MeatBalls. I'm gonna go for about, I don't know, maybe a tennis ball. Kind of pack it in a little bit. About like that. Gonna put them on this wire rack that I've already sprayed with a canola cooking oil. Got that packed in there real good. And that's about the size we want right there. Kind of get them rolled around a little bit. Pinched in there. They're laid out. All right, we'll get the rest of these going. We'll get them on the Weber. Weber's running right now about 400 degrees. That's where we want them, between 350 and 400. Won't take long at all. Gonna cook it at about 165. All right, gonna get these on the Weber. Like I said, we're running about 400 or so. Put that over there. This rack right in the middle. Like so. I got a charcoal basket on this side, charcoal basket on this side. B&B charcoal. Got some wood chunks of mesquite in there. And last thing we're gonna do is sprinkle a little more of the Suckle Busters Gold Dust. It's kind of dusted on top a little bit, just on the top side. Make it rain. Get him covered up. And we'll get back, check on it in a little while. All right, guys, you can see temperatures right at 350. We've been cooking for about 20 minutes now. And as you can see, they've got some nice color on them. Go ahead and rotate them a little bit. They're still nowhere near ready, but you want to get a little more color throughout. And them little stringy things you see there, stalactites, if you will, or stalagmite. I don't know. Yeah, but that's just the grease and fat. Get that back on, and cover it up, and we'll be back in a little bit. Check it out. All right, guys, I'm gonna check temp on these meatballs here. 155, 166, 175. Yeah, they're ready. Actually, I should have checked them a while ago. But we're all good. We're all good. I've got some homemade barbecue sauce here. Not much left. It's a killer tomato-based sauce. I'm just gonna put on a couple of these before they get too done and dry out. Killer glaze on them. You know what? I'm just gonna do them all. Everybody in the family likes this sauce. Get it on there. Not all completely covered, just top side there. There we go. All right. Killer. All right, gonna leave these on here about 10 more minutes. Let that sauce set, and we'll be plating them, trying them out. All right, guys, you can see these meatballs are done. MeatLoaf MeatBalls. Hashtag Ma, where's the meatloaf? With a little mashed taters. Cool. Not bad. Little MeatLoaf meatball. All right, let's give it a taste. All right, guys, let's give this a taste, see what it looks like. I know it's gonna be good. Little meatball. Not bad, looking inside there. See a little smoke ring going on. Not too bad. Give it a taste. Give me a smaller piece here. See how it goes. Cool. Not bad. Oh yeah. That barbecue sauce is money. The little taters. Very good. A little different, you know, from doing a whole loaf. Just do meatballs like that, that smoke. It gets them done quicker when you do them in meatballs like that. Really good flavor. That Sucklebuster's Gold Dust is really good. It really is. You can try it out, give it a shot. I recommend it, as always. Guys, hashtag Ma, where's the meatloaf? Give a shout out to Kerry via Chick Off-Road. It's her collab. Asked that we join in. Heck yeah, why not? See how many other people join in on it. Look for the hashtag Ma, where's the meatloaf? And you'll see other videos there. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.